What's going on, guys? It's Chevy Boy 757. I'm here with my 6.2 liter High Country. It's a 2017. Right now it's got burn stock exhaust on it. It does have a Canon cold air intake, which, yeah, it don't make much of a difference, but I mean, it does seem to breathe a little bit better. But I'm going to be doing a Corsa Sport 3.5-inch exhaust. It is a 6.2 liter truck, so I'm going to do a little before and after video for y'all and see what y'all think. As y'all can see, it's still got the full exhaust on it, the suitcase muffler, and still got a third cat. Alright guys, I got the old cat back out. I'm not gonna lie, a little bit of a pain in the ass. I'll show y'all what I did to keep the original Catback intact without cutting it. So once I got the truck up high enough in the air to move it back to get it off that third cat up there, I moved it back far enough, and then I dropped the rear axle down and set jack stands here, and it let the rear fall down enough to get the original cat back out in one piece. All right guys, I got it all installed. I don't know if y'all can see it, but got my Corsa performance sticker on. It's always better when, you know, exhaust system or performance parts comes with a sticker, but I'll go ahead and show y'all how it turned out. I can't talk about how good this fit. This fits so good. Probably one of the best Catback exhaust I've ever put on. It fit really, really well. Also, the tips look awesome. So let's get a cold start. Yeah, there's the old Catback.